Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to allow camera access to Facebook Messenger. So if you want to allow camera access to your Messenger application, first of all you have to open up your settings, and after opening your settings you have to search for apps, and after searching for apps, now you have to search for Messenger. After searching for Messenger, open up your Messenger, and after searching for Messenger, now tap on Preferences. You can see what you have allowed Messenger to access in your mobile, and you have not allowed camera access to your Messenger. So now if you want to allow your camera access to the Messenger, tap on Camera, and after tapping on Camera, tap on the first option, Allow only while using this app. After tapping on that option, you can see you have allowed Messenger to access your camera. So this is how you can allow camera access to your Facebook Messenger application. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.